They're gonna love it. It's so good.
Come here, come look.
I'm an artist giving away chalk drawings. Are you interested?
I'm not, thank you. Though.
Have a good day.
If you want to.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah? I do a hole.
That's way better than I could have done. Super cool. You see this? So good. I don't want it to rain now. Yeah, they're gonna love it. Cool. Good job.
Thank you. Have a great
Yeah.
night.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
What's that? Spider-Man.
Wow, go see him.
He's a
Whoosh, all right.